Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. Friends, there is a good news coming here. There is a great news coming here from Infosys that Infosys written result is out. So Infosys had conducted the assessment test on 26th of December 2021, and now the result is out. You can see here. So Infosys off-campus recruitment drive, you have been shortlisted for interview round, and the mail has started coming just now. Okay. Now, friends, you can also see in the next slide, sir, when will we expect result of the Infosys? Okay, 8 days gone, sir. So, sir, yes, I am shortlisted for the interview. Okay, you can see the last comment. So I was expecting that because of New Year and all, the interview, the written test result might be delayed, but now the result is out. Okay, you can also see here 4 minutes ago. So Online Study for You, I just got the mail for interview. So friends, you can check your spam folder, you can check your junk folder, you can check all the folders available in inbox. So you must have got this email. Okay, and if you have not got it today, please wait, you will be getting tomorrow. Okay, because now they have started sending, so they will definitely send in kind of either in batches, or maybe they will be sending for CSIT and then mechanical civil. So there will be definitely some pattern will be there. I know many of you will comment, sir, I have not got the result. Okay, so please wait, they might send it to a department wise, branch wise. Okay, so please wait. Okay, so again, you can see Infosys off campus recruitment drive, you have been shortlisted for the interview round. So friends, you have already crossed now 80% of the hurdle. Written involves 80% of the risk. Now if we have cleared, then congratulations to each one of you. And if we have helped you in clearing this assessment test, please write down a comment. We will prepare you for the interview as well. You do not have to worry at all. Your selection is our you know I mean your selection is our responsibility, so we are going to do everything for you. So please do not get panic. Now 80% of hurdle is already gone. Infosys interview will be very, very easy. Soon I will make a video, and the 20% hurdle also, we will be responsible, we will take the responsibility of you to get into Infosys. Okay, so thank you for participating into off campus recruitment drive and taking out the time to appear in the Infosys online test. Okay, we are happy to inform that your profile has been shortlisted for the interview round. The interview will be conducted virtually, and it will be technical and behavioral skills. The interview process will commence shortly. The confirmation for the interview along with other details will be shared with you at least 48 hours scheduled date and time from talent acquisition at infosys.com. Okay, we will read all those things, but before that, now definitely I know you will be panic how to prepare for the interview. So friends, Infosys interview preparation material for 2021 batch. Okay, so it is like based on the new pattern. So if you are from 2021 batch, 2022 batch, okay, anyway, so this was for 2020 and 2021 batch. So for both of them, this is a new pattern, and you can get it right now and start a study. Please do not wait. Only 20% is remaining. 80% hurdle you have already crossed. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, now subscribe. Why? Because we are going to upload a lot of videos. See, today also we uploaded one videos. So selected in Infosys is communication barrier. Okay, so interview experiences I have said here. So all those things we will do it for you. As I said, so now your job is our responsibility, it's not your responsibility. Okay, so do not get panic. Okay, so you can see so already morning they were discussing 5 hours ago, I said like before 14th of Jan, because maybe might be because of New Year and all, it might have got delayed, but again they are on time. So they are shortlisted for the interview. Yes sir, I am shortlisted for the interview. Here also you can say I just got the mail for interview. So congratulations all of you. Please do not waste your even a single minute, because getting into Infosys, once you clear the written test, then it is very, very easy, trust me. Okay, so anyone, even I said if your communication is not good, you can see here. So communication, if even if your communication is not that good, but if you're able to answer the question, you will be able to get into the job. Okay, and anyway, we will prepare you. So get this interview material as soon as possible right now, and then start the preparation, and we will tell you how to behave in virtual interview, what all to prepare, all those things we are definitely gonna do it. Okay, so do not delay. Now 26th of December 2021 result is out. Please do not wait now, start your preparation. We will be there till you are getting selected. And if you think we have helped you in clearing this assessment, in clearing this written test, then please leave a comment. Okay, that yes sir, you have helped us, and please help us in interview as well. And definitely my team, my whole team is gonna help you out So please do not delay. Do it right away. Okay. So start your preparation and the result is out. Please check your spam folder, junk folder. Those who have not got the result, please wait for tomorrow. They might have sent first to CSIT and all software core branches, you can say, and then they will send it to mechanical, electrical, electronics, and all. Okay, but definitely most of you I know might have got selected, those who have written the exam, and if you have followed our channel. Okay, I'm telling you again. So start your preparation. This is for all the streams, Infosys interview preparation material, and many we have given more than 10,000 results in Infosys till now. And definitely do subscribe our channel because you can see a lot of things we are doing. Resume. Okay, so how should be your resume? How you have to answer resume? That got me into Infosys. Okay, so this has helped many. So we are helping in all this context. Once again, congratulations to all those who have cleared Infosys December examination. Thank you, friends. And I will meet you in the next video with the same intensity. And I will make sure that each one of you gets selected in Infosys, those who has got the written test. Just believe on us. Just believe in us. Just believe on study for you. We will do it for you. Thank you. Take care. All the best for the interview. We will meet soon in the next video. I'm not going to leave you. I'll make you inside the Infosys. Thank you.